Welcome to Get What Ball Rolling, a resource for understanding American English idioms used in academic presentations. Sometimes you might happen to meet a coworker on the way to the restroom or in the hallway, for example. He or she wants to have a conversation in a more informal way, but still wants to discuss serious issues. What is the appropriate language in this situation? The answer to this question is obviously not simple, but there are a few common phrases that can be used for the informal-formal situation. Throw it out there may be one such phrase. While we often throw playing cards, a baseball, or a water balloon, this expression imagines that we are throwing an object into the middle of a circle of people so everyone can examine it. The intended meaning is just to offer a suggestion. This suggestion may be unrelated to the previous discussion that occurred right before the present. You should be aware that this expression would sound informal in a formal setting. Oftentimes, the word just begins this phrase, which minimizes the suggestion's importance or softens the suggestion, as a way to be polite or less forceful when making the suggestion. Let's consider the following example. In a graduate seminar, a professor might interrupt a presentation and say the following. If I can just interrupt you for one moment, I just want to throw it out there that this is an excellent example of a concept map or graphic organizer. This really helps me make sense of the concept. Maybe if you ask this group politely after class, they will tell you what software they used. Here the professor is interjecting with a suggestion that is not directly related to the topic being discussed. Other variations include, might I suggest that? Your writing is a bit too informal. Might I suggest you use a thesaurus for more academic words? Raise the issue of. She's absent, but she wanted to raise the issue of the website's slow upload speed. This is a problem for me too. Make or offer a suggestion. At the end of the presentation, if you'd like to offer some suggestions for other solutions, I will be happy to listen. These expressions have almost the same meaning and uses. So let me just throw it out there and suggest that the next time you hear this phrase, pay attention to whether the conversation is formal or informal. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using these idioms.